The power of one vote. Tonight, a man running for Wyandotte County Commissioner wants a recount. That's because he lost by a single vote. Only here on 41 Action News, Brenda Lee Gonzalez explains why he thinks the system not only failed his campaign, but voters.
Krista, you can see the results right here. Nathan Barnes lost by one vote. 11:04 to 11:05, and now he has until 5 p.m. tomorrow to file a petition for a recount.
One is the loneliest number that's cost Nathan Barnes a shot at returning as a unified government commissioner after a break from an 18-year run.
Why come back?
I never left.
Barnes ran for the District 1 at-large seat 2 years ago, which ended up in a deadlock.
I think that that the system needs some fine-tuning that hasn't been addressed in the past.
So he's challenging the results and filing for a recount.
But in order for me to sleep, I have to be 100% sure that I've exhausted every opportunity possible to make certain that that vote count is correct.
That's how many recounts Wyandotte County Election Commissioner Bruce Newby's experienced in his 9 years.
There have been other recounts that have been asked about for a total of 7, but the others weren't willing to pay the bond.
Barnes has to pay $2,730 to file for a recount. He'll only get it back if he wins. That didn't happen in the last recount, and Newby isn't sure whether it'll happen this time.
The machines are much more accurate than people.
Mark Gilstrap, who defeated Barnes by 1 vote, isn't surprised by the recount. In fact, had it gone the other way, he says he probably would have done the same thing.
I wouldn't say it's over until it's really over.
No matter the odds, Barnes is ready to take his one final shot.
I feel that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more votes out there. Fingers are crossed, prayers are going up, and my gut feeling says there is. And if it's not, I'm a big boy, I can handle it.
If Barnes files for a recount, a special elections board will tally the votes by hand Wednesday. More than 20 voters opted not to head back to correct a ballot that wasn't able to be counted. Barnes says this is a lesson that proves every vote counts. Reporting live, Brenda Lee Gonzalez, 41 Action News.